Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from R. James Hardware in Cape Town, a Plascon paint expert store and member of Paint Club.
R. James Hardware, it's 3 generations James family. I was the first owner outside of the family, and quite an amazing milestone for us is this year we are 100 years old. What makes me proud about this store is my staff. They're a great team. Some of them have been here longer than I've owned the store. Our customer base is varied. We service everybody from DIY to individuals to medium, small painting contractors, building contractors. What makes this store the best store in the area? I think, well, 100 years in the same place, that's got to count for something. This is a place where if you want to buy 17 nuts and bolts and washers, you can buy 17 nuts, bolts and washers. Plascon particularly, our affiliation with the Paint Club, which gives us an incredible buying power with Plascon, ensures that we get great service from Plascon. If there's a product or there's stock issues, it gets addressed quickly. If I had to choose a favorite, I love Cashmere, purely because it's a quality product. It has a great feel when you touch it. Cashmere, by far the best. DIY tip, do a little bit of maintenance regularly. It does so much to give you longevity, and you don't get those nasty big bills when you've left something too long. From our James's point of view, our motto for the DIY especially is make sure you get the correct product for the task at hand.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.